Hey guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch, and I am at the ranch this time, and I'm working on Diana's car. The deal was this, you see, she could have any car she wanted, and she would keep it clean inside and out, but I had to do all the mechanical work. That's why I was doing the brakes a little while ago and so on. Anyway, let me show you this. Now, a lot of you guys may know about this already. If you do, just go to another channel, no problem. But I discovered this about a year ago and loved it. Put them onto my F-150. You guys have seen my truck. You've seen my other videos. And I just love these things. Now, here's the issue, okay? Diana, just tip down here and look at the wheel. This is Diana's wheel on her Hyundai Sonata. Anyway, here's the deal. You can see that it's got 5 lug nuts, okay? And these are the 4 original lug nuts. And this one, which is kind of weird, sticks out and it's flat. That's because it's a locking lug nut. Now, I don't know if anybody would ever steal a damn tire and wheel off of a Hyundai, but, you know, it seemed like a good idea. So, you know, you get one of these little things and you put it on, you find the right spot, and you put it in, and then you can take that lug nut off. If you don't have this, you can't take it off. It's a locking lug nut. You know all about that. Okay, so that's wonderful. But you also know that I'm pretty particular. Yeah. That's why I married Diana. But anyway, that's another story. So the problem here is, you see, there's 4 nice ones and this funny one that sticks out. Plus, every time I need to take the wheel off, I have to find this, which you have to keep secure. If you lose this, you got a problem. If I do take it into a mechanic for work, I have to give him this. If he loses it, you got a problem. I got to find it's a nuisance. So it doesn't look good, and this is a nuisance. So what's the solution? Let me show you this. Watch. I'm going to take off a couple of these lug nuts first of all, and then I'll show you the answer. I'm going to take off a few of these. You notice I have the car sitting on the ground. I can take off a couple lug nuts. It's not going to hurt. Okay. That didn't work. Where the darn. See the problem with these locking lug nuts? There we go. Now we got it in there. Let's try that again. Okay, so that's off. We'll take off one more over here. All right, so now, what's the answer? Well, the answer is very simple. You see that? That's called a slotted lug nut. I think that's the name for it anyway. You can see what it is. It's got slots in it, and they're pretty. They're heavy duty. You have to get the right one for your car. On the Hyundai, it's 12 by 125, but they're nice. They're pretty. They're all exactly the same. There's 5 of them. They're all identical. Oh, really pretty. Big deal. Oh, no, hold on. Then when you buy those slotted lug nuts, you get this. Big deal. Oh, it is a big deal because there's slots on there. This fits on the slots. You can't use a wrench. Wrenches won't fit. So a person who is trying to steal your wheels or trying to get the wheel off for whatever reason can't use a wrench. He has to have this. Very simple. You pop this on, off it comes. It's got lots of bite, so it can't slip. And all 5 of these lug nuts now become locking nuts. Watch this. Put that on like so. Da-da-da-da. And one over here I took off. I put that on like so. Just like that. And of course, if you guys know what you're doing, you properly torque this. In this particular case, it's 80 foot-pounds of torque. So torque that on properly. Like so. And this one like so. Just that easy. No special lock, no special lug nut that's all rusty and beat up. And these are nice. Look how they stick out. Beautifully chrome. I'm going to stop for a minute, put the other ones on, and you'll see the finished product. There we go. All 5 of them in. Now, take a look at that. Don't tell me that doesn't look better. 5 beautiful. These are a little longer. These lug nuts are a bit, and you can get them in different lengths. Guys, if you want nice long ones for your truck, you can get them longer or shorter. But look at that. 5 beautiful, all the same, nice chrome surface. And each one of these, you have to have this special slotted tool. Every one of them, essentially, is a locking lug nut. No more of this junk. I think it looks nice, and they're cheap too. Maybe you know about this, maybe not. Great idea. Talk to you soon, guys. Alec Peirce at the ranch, going for a drive now. Bye-bye.